Hello, Raymond Wolfgang here. And are you in a systems engineering job where there's a large project, and have you ever wondered how does the money work? Well, here's a quick tip on how it may work in your organization. First, think of your technical project. You have expenses. Most of it's probably going to be labor, but there could be some travel, some equipment, renting test facilities. These expenses need to be tracked to the right customer. Sometimes they'll call it the right project. That's where something called the job number comes in. The job number is this formal way in your organization you would be able to bill the right customer for the expenses. Now, you can have different categories, different breakdowns. You might have heard of a work breakdown structure. That can be up here, and it can include categories like training, labor, equipment, travel. Okay, you might have a different job number for that. Now, all of this integrates with a financial system. So there's a system that manages all this in your organization. Now, sometimes you'll have labor and expenses, let's say for training, that is an expense, but it doesn't really tie back to the project. It ties back to some corporate overhead. So that would be a case where you might have a different job number for training. So anyhow, just very brief overview. If you're doing systems engineering and wondered how does the money work, it's usually some infrastructure like this, particularly if you're in a medium or large size corporation where you've got expenses, but they're billed to the right job number. Usually that's put on your time card. And then there's some financial system that the business admins run that does all the reporting and the billing and the invoicing. And just one caveat, not everything necessarily goes to a project job number. You might have other things like training that go to somewhere else. If in doubt, ask your manager. They should know how all this works, or make friends with your business admin. I'll see you with the next tip.